टेल मी द फैक्ट, क्या आपकी दिन की शुरुआत व्हाट्सएप खोल के होती है? If yes, then this video is for you. You see, after coaching thousands of my mentees, and I see their morning rituals. Nothing wrong or bad, सब अच्छे लोग हैं, intention अच्छा है, hard work, smart work करते हैं, but still they are trapped in this particular cycle जहाँ से वो बाहर नहीं निकल पाते हैं. I am giving you a very powerful ritual जो आप follow कर सकते हो in the morning. Maximum 2 to 3 minutes आपका समय जाएगा. But if you do this, your entire day will be in your control. You'll go to the higher levels of frequencies of vibration और वहाँ से जो attraction होगा, you'll go to the next stage. Powerful video है, simple है, but not easy to follow. So I'm going to give you some real powerful hacks जब ये simplicity को आप easily follow कर पाएंगे. Also in this particular video, I'm going to share with you a simple 5-step process which you can follow in the next 3 to 5 minutes every single day to start your day with gratitude. Scientifically proven process to start your day with gratitude. So let's do this. See, if you start your day by checking WhatsApps or emails or maybe go directly on social media कि क्या किसने मुझे रात को याद किया, आपकी दिन की शुरुआत is on a reaction mode. You are actually reacting to someone else's messages. I'm not saying ignore करिए, but सबसे पहले the first thing in the morning is something which you do which I call as a gratitude practice. Now you might say सिद्धार्थ, अरे gratitude की बात मत करो यार, मैंने सब कुछ कर लिया है, मॉर्निंग में करता हूँ, gratitude कुछ होता नहीं है. I know that exactly what you are feeling right now. लेकिन if you follow my instructions जो भी मैं बता रहा हूँ in this particular video, for the next 2 to 3 minutes मैं आपको बताऊंगा कैसे how you can really start to get this scientifically as a proof and not like a philosophy के यार अच्छा सोचो अच्छा लिखो, not about that, because this is based on a scientist's research, David Hawkins' map of consciousness. And he researched this entire way where your consciousness levels from a survival paradigm to going to a spiritual paradigm depending upon the emotions. And जैसे जैसे आपके emotions अच्छे अच्छे बनते हैं, जैसे powerful positive emotions like love, joy, gratitude, तो आपकी frequencies higher level पे जाती है towards a spiritual consciousness. This is not philosophy, it's science actually. और जैसे आपकी फ्रीक्वेंसीज हायर लेवल पे जाती है, आपके वाइब्रेशंस वो लेवल पे जाते हैं, एंड दैट्स वेयर यू कैन स्टार्ट टू अट्रैक्ट द गुड थिंग्स इन लाइफ. दिस इज साइंस. नाउ लेट्स लुक एट कि हमें पता तो है कि क्यों करना है ग्रैटिट्यूड, बट कैसे करना. इन अ वेरी सिंपलिस्टिक वे आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन टू यू इन अ वेरी लेस टाइम कंज्यूमिंग वे विच इज सस्टेनेबल फॉर यू. बिकॉज अगर मैं बोलूंगा आपको 1 घंटा मेरे साथ बैठना पड़ेगा, सुबह से ये करना पड़ेगा, यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू डू दिस. मे बी आप 2-3 दिन करेंगे, देन यू विल लूज आउट एंड देन यू विल बी बैक टू स्क्वायर वन. तो थोड़ा इसको समझेंगे कि व्हाट आर द बेस्ट ऑफ द बेस्ट पीपल आर टेलिंग अबाउट दिस एंटायर सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ स्टार्टिंग योर डे विथ दिस पर्टिकुलर ग्रैटिट्यूड. नाउ अगर आप मॉर्निंग में जल्दी उठते हो, अर्ली मॉर्निंग में भी बिटवीन 5 AM to 6 AM 5 AM क्लब के मेंबर हो, और मे बी यू वांट टू बी इन द ब्रह्म मुहूर्त, तो बेस्ट है. बट लेट्स से इफ यू आर नॉट एन अर्ली राइजर, मे बी जेंजी, आप आराम से लेट उठते हो, दैट्स एब्सोल्युटली फाइन. व्हेनेवर यू वेक अप, whatever is your schedule, जो भी आपका जो बायोलॉजिकल क्लॉक है सोने का उठने का, दैट्स एब्सोल्युटली फाइन. लेकिन स्टार्ट ऑफ द डे, starting 5 to 10 minutes of your day is the most crucial thing. How you do this, I'm going to explain to you over here. See, ऐसा क्यों लोग बोलते हैं कि स्टार्टिंग के 5 से 10 मिनट when you wake up is the most important time for you to really start to reprogram your mind? Why is that? See, understand this. There is something called as frequencies of our consciousness. And when we are fully awake right now, जब भी आप मेरा भी YouTube वीडियो देख रहे हो, you are in this beta level of consciousness, beta frequency पे आप हो. लेकिन जब भी आप सोते हो और सो के उठते हो, you are in that alpha frequency. And that alpha frequency और beta frequency का जो गैप है ना, उस गैप के अंदर whatever you put in from your consciousness, from your conscious mind, that goes directly inside your subconscious mind. जैसे बोलते हैं कि subconscious mind के दरवाजे are wide awake or wide open during that particular window. तो जब भी ये अल्फा और बीटा फ्रीक्वेंसी का जो गैप है, तभी आपने जो भी आपने डाला, मे बी आपको रीप्रोग्रामिंग करनी है आपकी मनी बिलीव्स के बारे में, आपके हेल्थ के बारे में, आपके रिलेशनशिप्स के बारे में, यू कैन रियली डू दिस. एंड दैट इज व्हाई इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट इन द मॉर्निंग टू डू दिस फर्स्ट 5 to 10 minutes before you check your WhatsApp, before you go on social media. Otherwise, वो सीधा consciousness में पहले वो जाएगा, and then whatever you do, it's of no use. So this is the first and the most important thing to do as you start your entire day. One of the legends, Wayne Dyer, said this about gratitude. He said this: gratitude is the gateway to higher vibrations of love and joy. So if you want to go to love and joy vibrations, कहाँ पे कैसे जाएंगे उस emotions पे? Gratitude से जाएंगे. That's what Wayne Dyer mentioned. You see, gratitude neutralizes the fear and activates your possibilities. So let's say when you are having this emotion of gratitude invoked, at that time कोई negative emotion नहीं आएंगे, because fear or let's say any worry or doubt or anxiety cannot exist when you're having gratitude. See, because these are all polar opposites. तो दोनों में से कोई एक ही रह सकता है आपके जहन में. तो अगर आपको fear को हटाना है तो fear को push करने की कोशिश मत करिए. I mean, get gratitude, and that's where you can really start to remove your fears, your negativity, your maybe anxiety or worries. That's the real power of gratitude. Dr. Joe Dispenza says this: a mind and body in gratitude cannot simultaneously exist in fear or anxiety. And he has got the scientific base also over here. He says that when you have gratitude, it releases dopamine and serotonin, which is your brain's feel-good chemicals. तो जब भी आपके ब्रेन में डोपामिन और सेरोटोनिन आता है, ऑटोमेटिकली यू विल स्टार्ट टू परफॉर्म वेल, यू विल बी यूजिंग योर टैलेंट, योर स्किल सेट्स, योर एबिलिटीज, देयर वोंट बी एनी स्ट्रेस और डाउट, वरी, एंजाइटी, एंड दैट्स वेयर यू परफॉर्म बेस्ट, यू स्टार्ट टू गेट द बेस्ट रिजल्ट्स. It's all science based. It's not some philosophy, it's science. Now let's understand how to use this particular simple 5-step process which I mentioned earlier so that you can practice gratitude. Step number 1 क्या है? Step number 1 पे जाते हैं जहाँ पे मैं बताऊंगा कि कैसे आपकी दिन की शुरुआत करते हैं. Have a gratitude journal and start your day by writing 3 or 4 simple things which you are truly grateful for at this particular moment. You can write it down. Maybe I am grateful for a good night's sleep. I am grateful for my health. I am grateful for this beautiful home in which I am living. I am grateful for my family, for my parents, for my kids, for my job, for my money in the bank. Be very genuine and authentic to your own self and write it down. So पहला स्टेप है 3 ब्लेसिंग्स प्रैक्टिस करनी है आपको, जहाँ पे आपको देखना है कि इस समय what I am truly grateful for, ये लिखना है. स्टेप नंबर 2 में क्या है? स्टेप नंबर 1 में यू गॉट अवेयर कि आप किसके लिए ग्रेटफुल हो. स्टेप नंबर 2 में आपको लिखना है और नीटली लिखना है सो दैट यू कैन, व्हेन यू राइट इट डाउन, इट एक्चुअली गोज इन योर कॉन्शियस सबकॉन्शियस माइंड. और जब भी लिखेंगे आप तभी हैव अ स्माइल ऑन योर फेस, यू फील इट, यू जेन्युइनली आर हैविंग द ग्रेटिट्यूड फॉर दिस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, राइट नाउ आई एम ग्रेटफुल फॉर that you are listening to me on my YouTube channel and I'm giving this nuggets of wisdom which I've learned from my mentors. I'm really grateful for the creators of YouTube with which I can connect with you. I'm grateful for this internet connection which I am having, with which I am reaching out to you. I'm grateful for this camera, the lighting, etc. So you can be grateful for everything which is there around you right now. That's how you can really start to experience the gratitude every single moment. So पहले step number 1, be aware. Step number 2, write it down. स्टेप नंबर 3 में क्या करना है? स्टेप नंबर 3 में मे बी यू क्लोज योर आईज एंड यू विजुअलाइज योर ग्रेटिट्यूड कि यार एक्चुअली यू फील इट इन योर बॉडी, you feel the sensation, you have a smile on your face and you see, yes, thank you, I mean really I'm grateful for, feel it. Because if you're just writing it down in your journal without actually feeling it, you are never going to get that particular result of using this entire gratitude practice. So feel it, and at this particular moment when you have got that zone of being in gratitude, you can now visualize for things which you are grateful for, which are not there right now in the present. For example, maybe your goal, your result which you want to accomplish. तो जब भी आप ग्रैटिट्यूड जोन में होते हो, वो मोमेंटम में आता है, इस समय यू कैन रियली स्टार्ट टू फील दैट ग्रेट दैट एंड विजुअलाइज दैट यू आर ग्रेटफुल फॉर थिंग्स विच आर नॉट एक्चुअली देयर इन योर लाइफ. Maybe the dream job which you want to have, that business which you want to have, maybe that relationship which you want to enjoy, the health which you want to have. That's where you can see, feel and believe after you do the step number 1, step number 2, step number 3 में आप कर सकते हो. स्टेप नंबर 4 में क्या करना है? स्टेप नंबर 4 में यू एक्चुअली स्टार्ट टू स्पीक आउट लाउडली. दैट मीन्स यू स्पीक योर गोल स्टेटमेंट्स, यू स्पीक वट एवर यू आर ग्रेटफुल फॉर loudly, because when you are speaking out loudly, you are actually listening to your own voice, the voice which you trust. You are actually invoking your senses. You can invoke all your senses when you speak loudly. You can use your body, you can use your gestures, nice physiology is there on your face, and that's where you can start to use those sensations to get that feeling of gratitude. Speak out loudly, say thank you, thank you, thank you 3 times, thank you to the universe, and that really starts to send those vibrations and you start to get that attraction happening in your life. And finally, step number 5. Step number 5 in gratitude is you actually now, when you're in that zone of high frequency of gratitude, you now speak out your goal statement loudly. That means जो भी आपने visualize किया है step number 3 में, now you speak that goal statement loudly, you declare it in the universe. You can do the money declarations, you can do the warrior declarations of Think and Grow Rich, and that's where you can really start your day with those higher frequencies of vibrations. ये 5 steps maximum आपको 3 से 4 मिनट लगेंगे आपको, और प्रैक्टिस से किया not more than that. आई मीन फ्रॉम योर नेटफ्लिक्स, इंस्टा, यूट्यूब, फेसबुक, लिंक्डइन, व्हाट्सएप से इतना टाइम आपको निकालना ही निकालना है. आप निकाल पाएंगे? और अगर आपने निकाला इतना टाइम, trust me my friend, within 7 to 10 days you'll see that the power of gratitude, as David Hawkins mentioned, it's the highest frequency of vibration which you can reach, and from there you can start to attract the abundance, the wealth, the success, the relationships, the bonding, the job opportunities. जहाँ पे भी आपका पैसा फंसा हुआ है, सब कुछ आएगा. Miracles have happened in my mastermind of Think and Grow Rich just by following this simple practice of gratitude. It's a very powerful emotion, and this emotion you just cannot neglect. You see, gratitude prepares your mind for success. It's not a positive thinking, it's an alignment thinking. You're aligned with the proper thinking. If you want results in your life, start with the right state. And if you want to change your state, start with gratitude. As simple as that. It's free, it's simple, and it works faster than any productivity hack out there. Do it right now. Start from today. Feel the feelings of gratitude. And if you got that feeling of gratitude after watching this particular video, then comment G in the comment box that yes, you are feeling gratitude after watching this particular video, because you don't require any reasons to have gratitude. It is just a state of mind, and you can control that state of mind when you have that intention that yes, this is going to work for me. Start believing in this. See, the miracles are waiting for you in your life, and you can actually be a miracle to create the results, to create your destiny. And for all of you who would be interested how to practice gratitude, we have got a morning club at 5:45 a.m. which we run for 30 days, and it's almost like free over here. You can just write an email to support@siddharthshaw.in, and we'll definitely help you to put in to your results, get inside this 30 days challenge, and you can really start to go and take your results to the next level. If you have liked this particular video, press the like button, share it to someone whom you care and love, subscribe to our channel, and be ready for the next video which are coming over here. I am Siddharth Shah, CEO of Think and Grow Rich Academy. Let's get ready to think and grow rich. Thank you so much.